Travel Town Best Game Tips 2025. In this video, I'm going to give you the best tips for Travel Town in 2025 so you can level up faster and unlock rare items.
So to get started, first tip is to always merge smart. Don't rush to clear your board. Strategically build up base items so you can merge bigger batches and earn better rewards. Second, focus on daily quests. They offer the most consistent energy, coins, and gems. Try to finish all three each day before the reset timer. Next, make use of the gift boxes and crates. These often sit unopened, but merging them at the right levels gives bonus tools and higher level items. Don't waste them early. Watch ads only when it gives energy or free rare items. It's worth it then, but skip anything that only offers coins. Lastly, take screenshots of your merge board if you're trying to track patterns. It's easier to plan big merges when you can visualize your layout. And that's how you get ahead and travel down in 2025.